Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. I normally don't open on Sundays, but I have a new client who's coming down from Virginia and I wanted to accommodate her schedule. I made her hair unit entirely from us corresponding over the last 2 months. If you need a hair unit, I can get all of your specifications through detailed pictures that you send me, or I can get the information from your measurements, so that when you come here, your unit is 95 to 99% finished. Oh, hey there. Hey, how you doing? I've got 3 of them back there.
I do too. I got 3 too.
Oh, wow. Hi there.
That's my husband. That's Miss Lola.
It's nice to meet you, sir.
Hey.
Thank you.
Is there something you can wear to the side too? Like you could make it have it like a little kind of on one side that.
Ain't she pretty, y'all? Oh my God, you're so gorgeous. how do you like your transformation makeover?
I like it.
Oh my goodness, you look so beautiful. And Felicia is a hairstylist herself, so I know she's going to do innovative things with her hair unit, and I'm going to be making her another one real soon.
And my birthday is next month, so we gotta do.
Oh, okay, your birthday is now. Okay, her birthday. That's going to be the perfect birthday gift for you. But in the meanwhile, that is absolutely gorgeous. Hubby, you want to come take a look? See what you think?
It's very nice.
Oh. Okay, Felicia, thank you so much. And thank you, everybody, for joining me again. I really, really appreciate your tuning into my channel, and I will see you very soon for another transformation. Take care. Bye-bye, Felicia.